Portable jump starters with integrated air compressors have matured into essential roadside tools for drivers, campers, and fleet managers. They combine high-amp jumpstart capability, tire inflation, USB charging, LED lighting, and safety features into a single compact unit, reducing the need to carry multiple devices. In this comparison, I evaluated 5 models across a consistent price band, $39.99 to $52.49, to assess starting performance. Product number 1. Aamount W160 Jump Starter with Air Compressor 5000A Car Battery Jump Starter 150 PSI Tire. Aamount W160 pairs a high 5000A peak jumpstart capability with a built-in 150 PSI tire inflator and multiple nozzle options. It supports up to 9-liter gas and 8-liter diesel engines and operates in a wide -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit temperature window. The unit also functions as a portable power pack with USB outputs and a tri-mode LED flashlight, while offering a visible display of battery, inflation, and tire pressure. It emphasizes safety with 10 built-in protections and a 20-second auto shutdown to conserve power. Performance-wise, the W160 delivers strong jumpstart capability for mid-size engines and reliable tire inflation with 150 PSI limit. The detachable extension air hose and 4 nozzle configurations improve versatility across motorcycles, bicycles, and sporting equipment. The device's size and weight, about 2.27 pounds, make it highly portable, though the absence of the adapter in the kit may require customers to source their own charging solution. Real-world use shows fast inflation to a typical target range and straightforward operation, aided by a clear display and safety-first design. The device's extended temperature tolerance makes it suitable for roadside use in diverse climates, but the lack of transparent pricing in the listing is a practical drawback for budgeting. Product number 2. Portable car jump starter with air compressor for emergencies. The Nico Kreos unit offers 3000A peak power, 150 PSI max, and a 12,000 mAh battery, with a compact package designed for engines up to 12-liter gas to 10-liter diesel. It provides 4 inflation modes and 4 nozzles, a real-time LCD display, and a 3-mode LED flashlight. The device also doubles as a USB-powered charger, emphasizing versatility for road trips and emergencies. In use, the device demonstrates solid inflation performance, up to 150 PSI with 35-liter per minute flow, and reliable jump starting for typical 12-volt engines. The LCD readout makes it easy to monitor battery level and inflation pressure, while the USB port supports mobile devices. A practical consideration is charging discipline. The model requires full initial charging for optimal longevity and recommends charging every 3 months if unused. While not the most aggressive jump starter in this group, compared to 4000 to 5000A peers, it balances power, size, and cost effectively and includes a complete inflation kit for roadside readiness. Product number 3. Jump starter with tire inflator. The YDB Sneeze C10 delivers 4000A peak, 9-liter gas/8-liter diesel compatibility, and 150 PSI tire inflation with a digital real-time display and 8 nozzle adapters. It positions itself as a dip switch 2-in-1 solution with a smart battery management system and comprehensive safety protections, including overcurrent and overheating safeguards. The unit also doubles as a power bank with USB output and features 3 LED modes. Performance-wise, the 4000A peak delivers robust starting capability even for tougher diesels, and the 150 PSI inflator with automatic cutoff ensures precise inflation. The 28,000 mAh battery capacity helps sustain charging and idle operation, though the weight is heavier than some peers. The 9 by 4.5 by 2.3 inch footprint makes it highly portable, and the 8 nozzle kit covers most automotive and recreational inflation needs. User experience benefits from the intuitive digital display and safety-centric design, though the higher price relative to some competitors may give buyers pause if extreme power is not a priority. Product number 4. Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor. JHXBDH positions this model as an 8-in-1 multi-function device with a 4000A peak jump starter and 150 psi tire inflator, packed into a unit claiming 28,000 mAh of capacity. It features automatic shutoff, LCD display, and LED light with multiple modes. The inflated speed targets 1 minute to reach optimal pressure, and the pressurization units include bar, PSI, kPa, and kg/centimeters squared. In operation, the product offers rapid inflation with a claimed 35 liters per minute flow and automatic shutoff to prevent overinflation. The 4000A peak provides solid performance for common 12V engines, and the 28,000 mAh battery delivers extended standby and charging capability. The bundle includes a comprehensive set of hoses, adapters, and a robust carry bag, making it ideal for users who want a feature-dense, all-in-one device. On the downside, at $52.49, it sits at the top of the price band and may be heavier than other options, affecting portability for some users. Product number 5. Jump Starter with Air Compressor. The Kink Roll Mill LX0301 delivers a remarkable 8000A peak, making it the highest starting performance option in this set. It includes 150 psi tire inflation with an integrated pressure gauge, a dual USB-C/USB-A output, and a 10-point safety protection system. It's designed for engines up to 6.0-liter gas and 3.0-liter diesel, and emphasizes a strong 22mm cylinder with a compact form factor. Performance-wise, the 8000A peak is a standout for stubborn batteries, and the 150 psi inflator with a digital gauge supports precise inflation. The unit's 2 USB-C/USB-A ports provide robust device charging, and the built-in flashlight with SOS mode bridges emergency signaling and roadside utility. The trade-offs include a heavier overall weight and more complex UI due to multiple safety and display features. Despite the high peak power, the battery chemistry, lithium metal, the Nico Krios provides exceptional value for budget buyers, while Aamount W160 is compelling for extreme climates and high starting power, assuming you can source pricing. Choose based on engine size, climate, and how often you expect to rely on the inflator and USB charging features.